Good morning, students. The first chapter continuation. Last class we have seen primary data and methods of primary data collection. We have been seen. So today's class will be seeing framing a questionnaire. So how we need to draft a questionnaire. What are the important rules and regulation and principle to be considered in making a questionnaire. Drafting a questionnaire means where we will be making a questionnaire. So first one is the number of questions should be less as possible. Okay, in questionnaire the questions how we are putting, okay, it should be less, as many as less we should be making a questions in such a possible way where I need not have n number of questions, where the respondents, okay, who where from where I'm collecting the information, they should not feel any uncomfortable while reading the questions and answering the questions. So number of questions is the basic and most important thing in a questionnaire. If the questions are very less, okay, the people they respond will respond very quick and in a truth way. The question should be simple to understand what on what, okay, a particular data we are collecting information. The questions which we are framing on the data, it should be very clear and easy to understand. For example is a COVID, okay. Now I'll take the example on COVID and I'm doing research on the COVID. So I may need to fix, okay, some 20 to 25 questions on the COVID, that is a virus. In that one I need to frame only 20 to 25 questions which are important question on that one. So number of questions is 20 to 21 and the information should be very much important, and the question which I am going to prepare should be very easy and simple. For example I can tell, okay, did you affect from coronavirus, yes or no? So if it is yes, the patient, if the response is been affected by corona, he will tick yes. If it is not, then no. Okay, in your family anyone has been affected by corona, yes or no? Like that. Okay, did your economic get affected by corona, okay, COVID-19? Did the lockdown get your family affected? Like this, the question should be very simple and easy to understand for the people. The straight cut, okay, I need to give the questions in a straight word forward, and it where the people will be knowing information on that one. Your next one, question should be arranged logically, okay, from the day one. Okay, the information what we need, it should be one linked with the other one linked with the other one linked with the other one. For example, name, first we will ask the name, then age, then qualification, then other details will be linked. See, from name, age, qualification, all those things will be linked, logically arranged in that manner it should be. Then answer should be questioned in a short form, yes, no. The question should be in very short, okay, where it can be option, ticking option, or writing yes or no. Okay, if you've seen they will be taking the feedback of some customer case. Okay, how do you, your example is your Ola. I'll give you an example for this one is your Ola. After you're driving, you will get the questions in the app or the normal message. Did you like the driving? Okay, what is the rating you will give for this driver? All those things will be asking, where it is very simple. The question should be in two form, yes or no, or very short answer should be there. Next point, as fair as possible, question regarding personal matter should be avoided. So the information what we require, okay, for the researchers or the data what we require, only question should be based on that one. It should not be based on any personal matters in the question, okay, of the person which will affect that person. That one should not be there. going very detailedly for the question personally. Okay, whether you have been married, what is your maternity status, how many children you have, all those things put together. Okay, some such cases and all should be avoided. Okay, very personal matters should be avoided. The information what we required, the question should be based only on that, not on any personal matters of the persons. Next one, any clarification if necessary regarding any of the question should be supplied in the form of footnote. So, in questionnaire, if anyone did not understand any questions, okay, we need to give information on that, okay, where I can directly give them the, I can directly explain the questions for them. No, this is the matter is involved in this one. I need information on this one. Or I can give a footnote, okay, where note, okay, regarding this question, I need information on this one. A note can be given. Footnote is where we will give the important note for them. It should be where the respondent is not understanding anywhere the question. It is the it is the responsibilities of the collector, okay, who is collecting the questionnaire. It is their responsibility to clear the question and get the information. Then necessary instructions should be given to the informants, okay, where we need to give, okay, on what we are taking the research, okay, why we are collecting the data, that information should be given for them, and what is the reason for collecting the data. With that, any effect will be there for them, or further information if it is required, we will contact them. All this instruction should be given for the respondent. Next, question which require mathematical region should be avoided. So any calculation part, okay, mathematically, where I need to give everything in the terms of numbers, okay, all those questions should be avoided. When mathematical terms are not being used in the question, that all those things should be avoided. Next, questionnaire should be attractive, okay, my questionnaire should be attractive, where the questions which I'm framing, okay, it should be in such a way. First question, when they start reading the questions only, they need to have the patience and tendency to attend all the questions. So framing a question in questionnaire is a very big task, and having number of questions, okay, it is an important task. This two tasks, if we do it in a proper way and form it in a proper way, we will be having the best result on the questionnaire. Next, the questions are so framed that the valid of this information supplied by the informants can cross check. So where I need to have a valid and reasonable questions, okay, where the respondent can cross check with anywhere, okay, even I can cross check whether the information is correct, or what information he supplied and what information we are supplied, both I can cross check when the questionnaire is easy and attractive, and the whatever questions this respondent is asking, we need to supply the information for them. Until we respond in a good way, the question is the respondent will not respond for us in a good way. Next point, the questionnaire should also ensure that the information supplied will be kept confidential and should not be issued for disadvantages. Yeah, whatever we collect the information, we need to keep it in very confidently, okay, where I am not going to publish this one anywhere. If I need to publish, I need to take the permission of the respondent whether I can publish this information for further researches, okay. For example, is your hospital reports, okay, A hospital reports have been collected from one hospital will be recorded confidently in that hospital only. Until we ask the report from the doctors, okay, we need the reports. Until we ask the reports for other hospital shifting, they will not give the reports, okay. They'll keep very confidently whatever is there. Even the medicines, what is coming, what is going, everything will be very confidently. So, maintaining confidence is very important. Your worst example is your customer case, your telephone customer case, okay, where our numbers have been shared for many peoples. How our number is going, we don't know. This is where the information is keeping on passing from one person to another person, one person to another person. We get n number of customer case, okay, from we need loan, or you do require loan from banks, we will get. So we need to keep the informations very confidently, where the respondents we should have trust on us, like that. Yeah, this is the example of a questionnaire where I will explain you this questionnaire. See here, the format of questionnaire. Questionnaire regarding introduction to English at school level. Okay, they need to introduce the English in school level. For that, they are taking the research whether we can start the English medium in the school levels. See, information goes like this: name, first question, then age or date of birth, okay. Your second question, maternity status, whether we are married or unmarried. Then we have gender, male or female. Primary qualification, what is the qualification we have done. Then which state do you belong, okay. See, now I am taking research in Karnataka. I need to have the people, because in Bangalore we are mixed, we are mixed almost, okay. We have North Indians, we have South Indians, okay. Everyone are mixed here. We need to know whether which state they are. Then mother tongue, what is the mother tongue. Then how, what is a language you can read, write, okay, whether you can read, write Kannada, that one. Which medium do you studied in your high school, okay, whether we have studied English or Kannada. Then which medium of institutions do you prefer children from first standard, okay, whether you need Kannada medium or English medium. Like this they have been done this survey. Yeah, see here, first one, they need to take the name of the respondent, they need, okay. After that they are asking what is the age of the respondent, then whether they are married or not, okay. Then they are having the gender regarding whether they are male or female. Then what is their qualification. So if people, this is the basic questionnaires where they survey will be taking, like this only a questionnaire will be framed. Then state, which state they belong, okay, where they have been born up in Karnataka or other state people have come here, like that, okay. Like this question, see, one is linked with other one, continuous. There is a continuous frame: name, age, maternity status, gender, qualification, continue. After this is the basic information, okay. After that they are asking whether you are put in the Karnataka, we put born in Karnataka, or you belongs to other state. If it is other state, which state we need to write specification. Then do you know Kannada, your mother tongue is what is the language you speak in the house, okay, preferably that language. Then they are asking whether you know to read, write Kannada, all those things. See, first basic information, then which location you are, then do you know to speak Kannada, or what are the other language you speak. Then they are asking you know to speak write Kannada. Continuity is there: state, knowing Kannada, do you know to write, read, speak. Then after that they are asking the information on the data, whether you have been studied, which medium you have been studied in your schooling level, okay. If it is Kannada, English. Then the research questions are coming here: whether do you prefer I can start English medium from first standard, or whether I from which standard I need to start English medium. then why you prefer this sentence. In 2 sentences you should tell. See, this is the questionnaire where number of questions, okay, as the first point. Your first point tells number of questions should be less. So total number of questions are here is 12. They have been framed only for 12. Then the question should be simple to understand. Yeah, it is very simple where anyone can, once they read the questions, they can answer this questionnaire. And it should be logically arranged. Yes, even that is there. Okay, where the respondents seeing this questionnaire, okay, this sample questionnaire, they will answer like this. Your questionnaire should be very simple, okay, very logically, all those things should be there here. So today I will stop the class till here only, framing and questionnaire. So tomorrow's class will be seeing secondary data. So secondary data will be seeing meaning and other sources of secondary data. Thank you, students.